Welcome back to the channel, Marauders. I hope you enjoy this video. A win. So it's the first trail ride for the Can-Am Defender Limited, and this is a great trail to test it out because it's 43 miles groomed trail through the woods. The colors are just starting to come out on the trees. Last week in September, trail closes Sunday. It's closed. It's open tomorrow. So sneaking out here, I have the cargo bed loaded with chairs. I took an extra fuel can. I took extra 5 gallons of fuel. I don't know how this machine is going to be on the trail. My camera cases, drone cases, and a cooler. I took the fuel because we did 66 miles on my last trail ride on the Can-Am Outlander 1000R XTP and used almost all my fuel except half a gallon. So I brought extra fuel. I don't think we'll do 2 laps today, but we should at least do 1 and hopefully stop around the lake. Okay, pick you up on the trail. See you on the trail. This seems to be our favorite way to run this on the trail, is with the front windshield open in vent mode and the windows down. It's about, I want to say it's about 78 degrees down here, and that really makes it nice. Air conditioning is not bad. I don't mind it, but my wife doesn't like it. My wife doesn't like it, and that's okay. I took my Mavic Air drone on this trail ride, and actually while I was shooting this footage, I lost connection signal with the drone, and thankfully it landed at its original home where it took off. And the ride is great. The ride is so good, my wife said, do you think her mother could ride in this on the trail? And maybe we would take ATVs and I would take an ATV and she could drive her mother around on this on the trail. I think she could. It's a nice ride. It's pretty awesome. Lyman Lake, I believe it might be called. There's the dam. And by the way, I have this in, I'm using a GoPro 9. Let me know what you think of the quality of the picture. The lens is in linear mode, and the reason I'm doing it in linear mode is because it has horizon leveling. So I actually have the camera tipped at about 45 degrees, and it's still leveling the picture. Here's its tip to the right, here's its tip to the left. Pretty amazing. One of the mission objectives for this ride was having a relaxing lunch at the lake, and we achieved that 100% win. We were able to carry the chairs, folding chairs, a camping picnic table, a Can-Am insulated cooler, which is just amazing at keeping things cold. And we settled down, set up alongside the lake, and had a relaxing lunch. My wife laid down to take a little rest, and I put the drone in the air. When she woke up from her rest, she did not have a headache anymore. And one of the pluses of getting outside, please ride the great outdoors. It's awesome. And beautiful fall day. Hope you agree with the drone footage. Was able to get down here before the park closed this Sunday to get some footage and to test ride the Defender for the first time on the trail. That's a big deal for this video. Hope you enjoy the video. Thank you for coming back and supporting the channel. So I'm going to show you our way out. We are going to go down here and cross the creek, and then we're going to head up this hill and really run the ridge line on this hill above the lake. And then I believe in this area there's something called Peekaboo Ridge where we can look down on the lake. And then we go on this little valley and do jiggity joggity, and then out and we head that way and around those hills further away, miles away. I'm thinking we probably have 20 some miles to go.
Yeah. Well, that one guy was hauling, wasn't he?
Wow! Boy, those are steep. Let's go this way. Oh, this is a tank. Amazing, isn't it? So the machine is doing outstanding. Let me show you the tires that are on it. Let's show you the tires. Here's my Super ATV front suspension. These tires are M Evil 1 tires, 32 inches. They are pretty amazing, and I think the spacer has stopped my scraping on my rim for the most, but the tires are amazing. This is a tough judgment of the tires because we're on a clay gravel road, and this thing is so heavy, 500 pounds heavier than a normal Defender because the cab weight, it's all up high. So don't go too fast because she tends the tires tend to skid, scuffle across the gravel on the trail, and she's also top heavy. Don't think I think it's a bad performer. I think this could do any trail just about that we ride on. Might beat it up a little bit. Ton of power. We're traveling at about 20-25 miles an hour. I'll show you how I have the back packed. I'm using the tie down points to secure our cargo on the back, and that's working very well. A lot of dust on this trail. I got my PA reg on, and this was a dream of mine come true. My wife is with me on an amazingly beautiful fall day, and we're going for a ride on the Defender. The machine is performing beautiful, and I'm happy to have my wife with me. It's just awesome. This is the... You guys okay? Was there an accident?
Battery popped out.
Oh, do you need a jump?
No, it's down. The wires plugging on it.
Okay, I got a jumper if you need it. You're good? Okay, have a great day. When my wife saw the pictures of my previous ride on the Susquehannock Trail, she said she would go out on the Defender and ride the trail. That was a score for me. Then when she followed up later in the week and asked if we were taking Friday to ride the trail, that was winning. And then when she was on the trail, that was a huge win. I can't thank her for enough for joining me on the trail. We had an amazing day. I cannot tell you what a great day we had. Fortunate to have her with me. Great machine, great trail. We live in an awesome country. Let's respect each other and enjoy what we have. I know I sure do. Thank you for supporting the channel, and I hope you will like the video, share the video, and subscribe to my channel. And I hope to see you on the trail. Thank you, and God bless.